Hello everyone, you're welcome in Rao's IAS Prelims 2021 Test 1 Part 1. If you like this video then please like, share and subscribe YouTube channel of Optimistic Aspirants. The credit of this video goes to Rao's IAS. This is the first lecture of Rao's IAS. This PDF will divide in 3 parts. The first part is this video. First question of this video is, consider the following statement about the Law Commission of India. The Charter Act of 1833 set up India's first Law Commission under the chairmanship of Lord Macaulay. After independence, the Law Commissions in India have been constituted through the Acts of Parliament. The report of the Law Commissions are advisory in nature. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 1 is option number D. 1 and 3 are only correct. After independence, the Constitution of India does not provide for the creation of Law Commission of India. Hence, it is not constitutional body. The next question is question number 2. Detention orders under the Jammu Kashmir Public Safety Act 1978 can be passed against a person on which of the following grounds: hampering or obstructing the security of the state, disturbing the maintenance of the public order, to prevent smuggling of liquor or timber. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 2 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. Detention order under the Jammu and Kashmir and Public Safety Act 1978 can be passed by Divisional Commissioner or District Magistrate. The next question is question number 3. Consider the following statement about the Kuno National Park. The Kuno National Park is located in MP. It has been selected as a possible site for the implementation of the Asiatic Lion Reintroduction Project as well as the Cheetah Introduction in India project. Which of the statements given above is are correct? The correct answer of question number 3 is C. Both 1 and 2 is correct. The Kuno National Park is protected area in MP. It is received a status of National Park in 2018. It is established in 1981 as a wildlife sanctuary. The next question is question number 4. Consider the following statement about reservation in public services in India. The state government is not bound to make reservation and the citizens cannot claim reservation in a public sector as a fundamental right. If the state wishes to provide reservation in the promotion to the members of the SC and ST, then the state has to collect quantifiable data showing inadequacy of representation of that class in public services. The correct answer of question number 4 is C. Both 1 and 2 options are correct, because these statements form part of the judgment of the Supreme Court on the reservation in public services. Article 16 4 and Article 16 4A empower the state to make reservation in the matters of appointment and promotion in the favor of the SC and ST. The next question is question number 5. The Election Commission of India and the Institute of Technology Madras are working in collaboration to develop a new technology which will enable the voters to cast their votes from different cities without going to their designated polling booths in their home constituencies. With reference to this development, consider the following statement. The technology will enable one-way voting under a controlled environment by using the blockchain technology. Voter identification and authorization would be done via the election registration official network ERONet via secure biometrics and webcam. Upon establishing a voter's identity, the blockchain-enabled system would generate a smart contract or a personalized e-ballot? The correct answer of question number 5 is option B. 2 and 3 are only correct. The technology will enable one way. Sir, it is not one way. It is a two-way. The next question is question number 6. Which of the following statements about the one-way electronically transmitted postal ballot system is correct? The ETPBS transmits the postal ballot from the returning officer to the service voter electronically by a series of security protocol. The service voter, after casting his vote sends the postal ballot to the respective returning officer through a registered email. Upon receipt of the postal ballot, the returning officer validates the receipt by a series of QR codes with that of a transmitted system. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 6 is C. 1 and 3 evenly correct. The postal ballot after casting of the vote is sent by normal postal service, not by registered email. The next question is question number 7. Which of the following statements is correct about the Convention on the Conservation of Migratory Species of wild animals? It is the international treaty that aims to conserve terrestrial, marine and avian migratory species throughout their range. It is also known as the Bonn Convention. Its Appendix 1 covers migratory species that require international cooperation. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 7 is C. 1 and 2 only. The Convention on Migratory Species or the Bonn Convention and CMS scope is known as the Global Wildlife Conference. It aims to conserve terrestrial, marine and avian migratory species throughout their range. The next question is question number 8. Which of the following statement is correct about misanthropes? It metabolizes and converts methane into carbon dioxide. It can effectively reduce the emissions of methane. In rice fields, misanthropes are active near the roots or the soil-water interfaces. The correct answer of question number 8 is D. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 9. Which of the following statement is correct about the Bengal florican? It is also known as the Bengal bustard. It is endemic to the Indian subcontinent. It is least concern on the Indian IUCN Red List. The correct answer of question number 9 is A. 1 only. It is also known as the Bengal bustard. What is Bengal florican? It lives in open tall grassland, habitat with scattered bushes. The Bengal florican is very well known for its mating dance. The next question is question number 10. Consider the following statement about the International Maritime Organization IMO. It is a specialized agency of UN. It bears the responsibility for the prevention of marine and atmospheric pollution by the ships. It is global standard setting authority for the safety, security and environmental performance of international shipping. The correct answer of question number 10 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. The IMO is a specialized agency of UN responsible for regulating shipping. The next question is question number 11. Consider the following statement about air corridors with Central Asia. This is the first ever proposal of its kind to boost trade and economic engagement. It will include regular cargo flights with special clearing and customs facilities to expedite the movement of goods, especially fresh fruit and other agricultural produce. Which of the statement is correct? The correct answer of question number 11 is B. 2 only. It will include regular cargo flights with special clearing and customs facility to expedite the movement of goods, especially fresh fruit and other agricultural produce. The next question is question number 12. The Lucknow Declaration recently in the news is related to the affairs of which of the following? The correct answer of question number 12 is D. India and Africa. The first India-Africa Defense Ministers Conclave held in Lucknow coinciding with the Defense Expo 2020 adopted the Lucknow Declaration. The next question is question number 13. Which of the following statement best describe the term Operation Vanilla? Affiliation of island nation of Seychelles, Madagascar, Reunion, Mauritius, Comoros and Niue in the Indian Ocean to promote tourism. It seeks to stabilize the supply of fruits and flowers, humanitarian assistance and disaster relief provided to the cyclone hit Madagascar. None of the above. The correct answer of question number 13 is C. Humanitarian assistance and disaster relief provided to the cyclone hit Madagascar. It is Operation Vanilla is launched by Indian Navy to help the cyclone hit Madagascar. INS Airavart is a large amphibious ship that was on a mission-based development near Seychelles. The next question is question number 14. Consider the following statement about the West Asia Peace Plan. It is unveiled by UN. The plan will revive the stalled two-state talks between the Israelis and the Palestinians. It seeks to enlarge Gaza and connect the Strip with the West Bank through a tunnel. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 14 is C. 2 and 3 only. The West Asia Peace Plan is unveiled by the US President Donald Trump, not UN. The next question is question number 15. Consider the following statement about the East Asia Summit. It is a regional forum based on the ASEAN Plus 6 mechanism with 16 countries only. The first EAS Conference on Maritime Security Cooperation was organized in New Delhi in 2015. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 15 is B. 2 only. The first EAS Conference on Maritime Security Cooperation was organized in New Delhi in 2015. Its membership has expanded to 18 countries, including Russia, total 18, included Russia and US at the 6th AS in 2011. 6th AS Summit. The next question is question number 16. Consider the following statement about Bangladesh, Bhutan, India and Nepal on the Motor Vehicles Agreement BBIN-MVA. Only Bangladesh, India and Nepal have ratified the agreement. The New Development Bank has been providing technical advisory and financial support. The correct answer of question number 16 is A. Only Bangladesh, India and Nepal have ratified the agreement. The next question is question number 17. Consider the following statement about the Refugee Convention 1951. It contains the principle of non-refoulement which prevents the state from sending back the refugees to persecution in their home countries. The convention gives the definition of refugees India has joined the Refugee Convention 1951. Which of the statement given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 17 is B. 1 and 2 only. The Refugee Convention 1951 defines refugees as a person fleeing persecution on ground of race, religion, nationality, social group or political opinion. The next question is question number 18. Consider the following statement. Rabies, Nipah, Corona, Ebola and Hanta are all viruses carried by bats that are capable of causing serious disease in the humans. Bats host more zoonotic viruses per species vis-a-vis any other mammal including rodents. The correct answer of question number 18 is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. The next question is question number 19. Which of the following statement is correct? NASA Parker Solar Probe is the first ever visit to a star. ISRO Aditya L1 shall be the closest human-made object that has ever gone to the sun. ESA Punch mission aims to track the solar wind and the coronal mass injection. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 19 is A. 1 only. NASA's solar probe is the first ever visit to a star. It is the first ever visit to a star. It will be 6.2 million kilometers to the sun. The next question is question number 20. Dinotherium indicum, which has been in the news, is related to which of the following? An extinct ancient elephant species, a critically endangered animal species, an invasive plant species, or vulnerable rodent species. The correct answer of question number 20 is A. An extinct ancient elephant species. Recently, the scientists carrying out excavation in Kutch region of Gujarat stumbled upon a premolar tooth which belonged to an extinct ancient elephant called Dinotherium indicum. The next question is question number 21. Consider the following statement. The 6th schedule to the Constitution provides for 10 autonomous district councils in 4 states. Each autonomous district has a district council consisting of 30 elected members. The district council have the power to codify the customary laws that deal with the civil matters. The correct answer of question number 21 is C. 1 and 3 only. The next question is question number 22. Which of the following statements is correct about the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation? It was established for the purpose of providing insurance of deposits and guaranteeing of credit facilities. All commercial and cooperative banks are covered under it. Each depositor in a bank is insured up to a maximum of Rs 5 lakhs for both principal and interest amount. The correct answer of question number 22 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 23. With reference to the river Madahi, the Mandovi river, consider the following statement. It passes through the Bhimgarh Wildlife Sanctuary. It is a west flowing river that originates in Eastern Ghats. It joins with river Juari at a common creek to form the Mormugao Harbour. The correct answer of question number 23 is option number C. 1 and 3 only. It passes through the Bhimgarh Wildlife Sanctuary. It joins with river Juari at a common creek to form the Mormugao Harbour. The next question is question number 24. Which of the following countries are members of both SAARC and BIMSTEC? Myanmar, Maldives, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal. The correct answer of question number 24 is A. 3, 5 and 6 only. The next question is question number 25. Consider the following pairs. Sun Temple, Associated River. Modhera, Phalgu, Konark, Chandrabhaga, Dakshinarka, Puspavati. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? The correct answer of question number 25 is A. 2 only. Konark in Chandrabhaga. Modhera is associated river is Puspavati and Dakshinarka is related with Phalgu, associated with Phalgu river. The next question is question number 26. With reference to the Lothal, a Saptan site, consider the following statement. Lothal was located along the Bhogova river in the Gulf of Kutch. It was an industrial town of the Harappan culture. The site of Lothal was the only port town of the Indus Valley civilization. Joint burial was found in Lothal. The correct answer of question number 26 is B. 2, 3 and 4 only is correct. The next question is question number 27. Which of the following crops were cultivated in the Indus Valley civilization? P. Wheat, millet. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 27 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 28. During the region of which of the following rulers Vasco da Gama landed in India? The correct answer of question number 28 is A. Sikandar Lodi. The next question is question number 29. Which of the following statement are correct? As a defense against attacks by the Mongols, Firoz Shah Tughlaq built a fortified city at Siri near the Qutub Minar. Firoz Shah Tughlaq abandoned the Daulatabad city. The correct answer of question number 29 is B. 2 only. Firoz Shah Tughlaq abandoned the Daulatabad city. The next question is question number 30. Which of the following statement are correct? In India, all the operating nuclear power reactors are pressurized heavy water reactors. Kundankulam and Kalpakkam near power plants are situated in Tamil Nadu. It is a member of the nuclear supplier group. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 30 is A. 2 only. Kundankulam and Kalpakkam nuclear power plants are situated in Tamil Nadu. The next question is question number 31. Consider the following statement. The Bureau of Indian Standards was established for the harmonious development of the activities of standardization, marking and quality certification of goods. The BIS Act provides enabling provision for making the hallmarking of precious metal articles mandatory. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 31 is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. The next question is question number 32. Consider the following statement about the mini-moon. Mini-moon is an asteroid which has entered into an orbit around the Earth. It will stay permanently as its orbit is stable. The correct answer of question number 32 is A. 1 only. Mini-moon is an asteroid which has entered into an orbit around the Earth. The next question and the last question of this video is question number 33. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the ACE2 receptors? ACE2 receptor is a cellular receptor which serves as an entry point into the human cell. The spike protein of the novel coronavirus binds to the ACE2 cell receptor with lesser affinity than in the case of SARS. Diabetes and hypertension treatment with ACE2 stimulating drugs increases the risk of developing severe and fatal COVID-19. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 33 is B. 1 and 3 only. ACE2 is a cellular receptor which serves as the entry point into the human cells, and diabetes and hypertension treatment with ACE2 stimulating drugs increases the risk of developing severe and fatal COVID-19. Okay guys, this is the last question in this video. From next video we will discuss up to question number 66 from question number 34. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe Optimistic Aspirant YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone.